Hey everyone, David Nielsen here with Platinum Idaho Real Estate. Super excited to share with you our newest listing in South Boise, 10798 West Seneca Drive. This property is located in the 5 Mile Estates subdivision. It's just near major cross streets are 5 Mile and Victory. So it's very central to hop over on Eagle Road, get to the freeway, South Boise, jump on the connector and head downtown. Very great location, nicely well-kept neighborhood, and one of my favorite features of this home is it doesn't have any backyard neighbors. So you're on almost 0.6 acres and it backs up to what I believe is called the 10-mile feeder canal. So almost 0.6 acres with no backyard neighbors. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you around the neighborhood real quick, just show you the street. We'll step inside and then we'll take a look. All right, so this is the outside of the house and I just wanted to quickly show you around the neighborhood. It's a really well-kept, quiet street. All of the homes keep up their houses nicely and streets are pretty wide and it's pretty quiet. Again, just off of 5 Mile, a fantastic location. I think you'd really like it here. Let's step inside and we'll take a quick peek. I really like on the outside of the house how they've got this nice white picket front porch area. It's really charming, and then this beautifully stained cedar accents both on the garage elevation of the house and then here against the front door. So it's pretty striking from the street. But as you walk in, you come in here, we're first greeted by a landing entryway with tile, kind of a slate 12 by 24 tile floor, and just a pretty majestic entryway. When you come in, you've got this big, beautiful tall ceiling and this beautiful chandelier hanging down. It's quite striking. And then I love the dark stair rails as you go up the stairs here. But let's walk in here as you come into the living room off to our left. So this is a really nice bright living room, lots of natural light. I did want to point out that all of the windows have been completely replaced. So you've got lots of light coming in and really good insulation as well. Love the light fixtures throughout the whole house. It's really decorated with these black, the black style light fixtures, which are really in vogue these days. But this living room opens up to the dining room, and that of course opens up to the kitchen, where you do have a little bit of a bar. You've got beautiful granite countertops, stainless appliances. This flooring is beautiful plank flooring, and you've got a nice pantry here with lots of room. And although this house is a little bit older, it almost feels like a brand new construction. I just wanted to point out here, like the backsplash here and just the detail of that backsplash. It's really striking. The cabinets are a beautiful double profiled shaker style cabinet with a beautiful window here looking out to the backyard. And as I mentioned, you don't have any backyard neighbors there, so that's kind of nice as well. Did want to point out just little features and little attention to detail, like for example on this backsplash here you've got a Schluter strip. Everywhere there's tile, it's you've got that Schluter strip, so you don't have any bare edges there. It's really nice. Plenty of room here for the refrigerator. Again, the dining room, and then coming out of the dining room we're going to walk and we're going to check out the downstairs first. Did want to point out that you have a good coat closet there. And then this home is a tri-level home, so this is going to take you down into the living room. And again, or the family room. And again, lots of natural light coming in through these beautiful new windows. We've got a wood-burning stove fireplace here, trimmed out with matching trim to match your the staircase and everything. But there's lots of room down here. This is you've got storage right there, and then this would take you out, of course, to the garage. And then we have under the stair storage as well. So there's room there. Or no, that's where the water heater is, brand new water heater. And then the furnace is just adjacent to that. So the furnace is over here in this closet right here. And the furnace is in really good shape, as is the air conditioner. All that's accessible down here. Across from that, we've got a powder bath. Powder bath with tile wood flooring, or wood-looking tile flooring, new toilet, new windows, and then you have your laundry room adjacent to that. So here you've got room for your washer and dryer, of course a window looking out to the backyard, and then you've got your downstairs bedroom on the bottom level here. So that's got a slider closet door.